the new normal for now. You see how much snow there is. Don't be fooled by the sun right now. It's so cold. It's super cold. I'm so it's bad, unfortunate that I'm not wearing my jacket right now. I'm just gonna wear it because although there's sun, but there's a lot of wind and it's super duper cold, guys. It's -80. So okay guys, so इस लेवल की ठंड फिलहाल मुझे लग रही है. I don't know, मुझे ही लग रही है शायद, बट -18 के साथ विंडी हो तो ऑब्वियसली ठंड तो लगती है. मुझे पता नहीं लग रही है फिलहाल. But guys, it's so cold. Anyways, so what we're about to do is today I'm gonna do something really different. It's gonna be a first experience for me. I'm gonna try sushi for the first time ever. For the first time ever. It's gonna be my first. The reason I never wanted to try sushi. Come on, like raw fish, who wants to try? Like I never wanted to try. Even Pakistan has a lot of good places for, you know, Japanese food, sushi and stuff, but I never felt the urge to try it out. In fact, I stayed as far away as possible. But I don't know, times are changing, things are changing, I am changing. I agreed to try it out because Hamza loves it. He suggested that we try it out, and not just try it out, we try it out with you guys. I'll show you my first ever experience with sushi, and it's gonna be
brutally honest because I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. Anyways guys, so I'm like scared but excited to have my first ever sushi.
things first. Actually, I do have a few things to get done before we go and grab sushi. So first we'll get coffee and then do all of our, you know, errands and stuff,
And then it's time to have some fun. Or I don't know, it's gonna be fun. That's the question mark as of now. Let's go.
and then
Always on their phone.
I was just talking to my friend.
Stop being
I was talking to my
innocent.
friend. I was talking to my friend.
Okay.
cool. Why does it, you know, keep on getting colder? मतलब कि कनाडा में आप फैशन कर ही नहीं सकते. जितना मर्जी फैशन कर ले, you have to cover it all up. It's a necessity. मतलब कि कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. So I see why people are not that fashioned here, because there's no point. लोग literally फिर sweatpants पे फिरेंगे ना, मोटे मोटे कपड़े पहन के. जब वेदर अलाउ ही नहीं करेगा तो. Today we are doing something a little different. Normally it's just drive-through and us getting coffee from drive-through, but today we are just trying to keep ourselves more relaxed. So we're just gonna go inside Timmy's actually, and we're just gonna have a coffee date actually. So just coffee and a snack. Every time I get out of the car, I realize how cold it is. I keep on adding more items into my clothing. I added a scarf while I was at it. I'm just avoiding wearing a toque because बाल खराब हो जाएंगे. अंदर काफ़ी हीटिंग होती है, so enter होते ही warm up quick. Even गर्मी लगना शुरू होती है if you're wearing a jacket. So we just got our coffee and snacks. We were just enjoying it and talking. And guys, a roll up and win kind of thing was going on, but we were too lazy to actually put the number in the app and do something about it. But it was fun. Okay guys, the coffee was nice. It was a good start to the day. And now we're just gonna run some errands. Then we'll be on our way to have sushi. I don't know if I should be excited or scared, but we'll see. Guys, I actually wanted to get myself a planner because I want to feel more organized with my tasks and everything at hand. So I just got myself a planner and some socks for gym. Okay guys, so now we're off to the sushi place. Tried finding the best place for sushi, and this seemed like the better option for us. So we are heading off to a place that specializes in Japanese food. I'm honestly scared but kind of excited. Hamza is telling me like it's really good, you'll enjoy it. Although like as I'm getting hungry, I feel like eating something else. I feel like eating real food. But let's see. I keep telling you it's so cold because it is so cold. Guys, it was fine dining, and I was so happy to see a fine dining place in Canada because it's a rare concept here. And I trusted Hamza to pick out anything he liked because I knew nothing about sushi. So he ordered some nice things. We enjoyed a really nice drink. We talked and we ate. We had such a fun time, and trying out all these new things was such an experience, guys. I really am excited to share it with you guys. And honestly, we ate it all and we finished it up with a nice dessert. Okay, guys, so your girl had just had her first sushi experience. Oh my god, guys, honestly, we picked the perfect place. The place service was so nice, the girls there were so nice, you know. The one waiting on us was so nice. She gave us the perfect suggestions. We chose the best rolls and it was so much fun, honestly. Like, I never thought I would like sushi. Like, I would enjoy eating sushi. I never thought. And guys, like, you have to be proud of me because maine first time sushi khai, not just that, I ate it with the chopsticks. I used chopsticks to eat first time, and then and there I learned how to use them and I ate using chopsticks. Man, come on. Like that, I never thought I could use chopsticks, honestly. But this guy right here taught me right then and there. And it was so much fun. I was like, there's no way I'm gonna eat it with hands. And obviously, who's gonna ask for a fork in a sushi restaurant? Who's gonna do that? Not me, not this girl. Honestly, like, mazag. I'm so happy we found a nice place because this is gonna be our, you know, next go-to place if we feel like eating sushi. Guys, then we came to Timmy's again to get some green tea because that's a must after a meal, especially for Hamza. Okay guys, so now we are heading to Rec Room. It's a place where you play arcade games and stuff. I'm gonna take you guys there and show you how much fun that is. So we're outside the Rec Room. So excited to beat Hamza in the games. Also, हारने के लिए तैयार है?
Yes, I'm ready to win.
Ready to lose, you mean? Okay, cool. Guys, we got the credits in our card and it was time to decide which games we wanted to play. We both were really excited and looking forward to the whole thing. We chose this game first and it was fun. Not gonna tell you who won. Maybe it was me. I think our generation is much more conscious about spending quality time with our partners and keep on building that bond as compared to the previous generation because we just don't want to live. We want to live a good life, you know. We want to enjoy our life together. So I feel like quality time is very important with your partner. Whatever you do, whatever you like to do, just spend some quality time and it makes a lot of difference. Guys, I love this Pac-Man game. This game was our favorite for the night. We played it 5 times in a row. It was a complete workout for us because it took a lot out of us, but it was so much fun and I have to add that I won. We absolutely love this basketball game. We play it every time and I'm really getting good at it, I have to say. Bachpan mein I wasn't good at all, but now I think I'm getting great. And guys, this is also a classic game and sometimes I'm better at it and sometimes I'm just not that great. I think this was one of the times I wasn't the best. Doesn't matter you win or you lose, it's just so much fun and sometimes we do get competitive when we're playing. But I remind myself, you know, it's just for fun. Guys, Hamza and I have made it a tradition to always take pictures in a photo booth whenever we are at Rec Room. So we also did it this time. It's actually pretty early, and let's see what came out of this comic thingy. Are you having fun?
Oh yeah, loved it. Today was an amazing day.
Amazing. Loved it. Although I won more games, but we'll discuss that later. Guys, this is what I came out of this comic photo booth and it's so cute. Normally we go for the simple one, but it was out of order. Guys, remember when Flappy Bird was all the hype back in the day? Or was it Angry Bird? I'm not sure. You tell me. But guys, like I'm shocked that I was so bad at this game. Never played that game. I played this one. So both are so happy. We had the most fun. Like surprisingly, पिछली टाइम से ज़्यादा मज़ा आया आज. I don't know why, what the reason was, but we had the most fun. इतना fun के heat up हो गए अंदर और अभी बाहर इतनी ठंड है, but I'm feeling fine for like 2 more seconds before I start shivering. Okay guys, so today was a lot of fun and I loved sharing my day with you. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed already, you know what to do. You need to subscribe so you can watch more stuff because so much more is gonna come. Have fun guys and stay tuned for more.